Surgent CPA Review. Surgent CPA Review is designed to offer you all the tools and content you need in order to pass the CPA exam fast and easy. What makes this unique is that it has an AI-powered software that can be used to generate a custom study plan. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and turn the notifications on. With its help, you get to push things to the next level while also making sure that you bring in front the best outcome no matter the situation. Of course, there are always going to be challenges that can arise, but here you get all the information and features right in front of you. In addition, they have a Ready Score tool that helps you find out the exam results you can get, and it's very accurate. You really get to know the system well and bring in the right solutions at a really professional level. That's what pushes the boundaries and helps you improve naturally. Click the link in the description to get discounts on Surgent CPA. With Surgent CPA Review, you have access to some of the best exam resources, so you don't need to worry about anything. All the content is there for you, and you can access it in any way and method you want. It's well worth checking out, and the experience itself is among some of the best. Just consider giving it a try right away, and you'll be more than happy with the results. While it can be rather expensive, Surgent CPA Review gets the job done, and it really delivers on just about all the features you need in no time. Again, click the link in the description to get discounts on Surgent CPA. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to us and turn the notifications on.